great to meet you again. And last time we were at your factory. We saw the whole unit and saw how amazing the whole hard-working team was, the state-of-the-line machinery and everything that you had set up there. And that was for Spark Go. Now we're meeting again for another brand, the Camon. So can you explain a bit about how these work and the umbrella, the company, the group?
See, it's always great to meet you.
Pleasure.
See, Spark was a great success for us. We launched it during the festival season, and you will be happy to know in the 5 to 7K segment, we are already among the top 5 brands in the offline segment, which really talks volumes about what we have done in the market. Today, we are launching 2 models in the Camon series. Camon, as you know, is all about camera. So Tecno, we split in 3 segments. Spark, which is from 5K to 8K. The Camon from 8K to 12K. And Phantom from 12K onwards. So that is how we are doing. Spark, we are doing extremely good. And Camon has been very good in 2018 once we launched it. And now we are really excited with the new 2 models.
Same, I've tested in the past and I've done some low light photography challenge with the phone, and I'm really excited to see what you're bringing to us in 2020. What is it about you breaking the segment and giving the segment best features in the least of price? How do you manage to do that?
See, we are there in more than 60 countries globally. We have a huge control over the supply chain ecosystem, and plus our clear focus is we believe that India is growing in rural markets, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, tier 6, 60% of the consumption is in these markets, and their aspirations are very high of the youth, but means are not so high. So people now like to flaunt about their phone, they love their phone. So if you give them a phone which is ultra night lens powered by DSP, which is giving so good low light photograph with all the other features, it is really amazing.
Absolutely. I mean, I think I should be thanking you in terms of what you're giving the consumers in the least of price. The features they would always aspire to get, but the price segments were really high. And with each launch, you prove it that we can gift all those features in this price segment. That's like crazy killing the market.
Absolutely.
Congratulations on that, and I'm really looking forward to checking the device. But before we, cut this and move on to our experience of the device, can we first click a selfie together?
Absolutely. I'm also.
This looks nice. It's
Yeah.
like a huge display, no bezels, nothing. So first, let's unbox the device and see what comes in the box. In the box, you get the Tecno Camon 15 Pro handset, charger, micro USB cable, SIM tray ejector pin, pre-applied screen protector, protective case, and the usual documentation. Hi guys, I'm Untitled Chapter from the Unbiased blog, and today I'm here in Lodi Garden to give you 5 smartphone photography tips. And for that we have a phone that is very special that can capture anything in any light. And to do that we have the Tecno Camon 15 Pro. This Tecno Camon 15 Pro is under 15,000 budget device that comes with quad 48 megapixel camera setup and a 32 megapixel rising selfie camera. A pop-up selfie camera on this budget device is astonishing for me. But Tecno has always surprised us with its price segment, and they are the first to introduce features in every price segment. We saw that last year with the Tecno Spark Go. Now this year we have the Tecno Camon 15 Pro. So let's start and see what we can capture and show you. The first trick that I want to tell you all is a reveal shot. Now you can see that we're in Lodi Garden. Now I can go and simply stand in the middle and click that shot. But in a reveal shot, you add a different perspective to the photography, and I'm going to show you how it works. So right now I'm standing here, there are a lot of trees, and in between I'll take a shot. You obviously have the whole lens setup where you can play around with, and you can get a clear shot, you can get this reveal shot, and even you can go wide angle. So what I'll do is like give you a little reveal shot from here and go a little closer, click this way, tap where you want to focus, just click it. So next trick is super macro shots. Now you've heard about macro shots and real close-up shots, but to do that we have the super macro mode in this Tecno Camon 15 Pro, and I'm going to show you how it works. It goes up to 2 centimeters above the subject. So we're going to capture some flowers here and maybe get a good shot of a honeybee, but let's try that. So you can see right now there are a lot of modes here, and I have selected the bokeh mode, and then I can go back to the AI camera mode. And in that you can see this is wide angle. I can go up to 1x zoom, then 2x zoom. But right now what I'm going to do is capture super macro shots. So I just go into macro and it shows super macro. Now see how close I can go with super macro shots. And you can see it's not losing focus, and I can keep going, keep going, keep going, and keep going. And yes, look at the luck. Look at our luck. I mean, we've gone so close and we can still capture the honeybee inside. That's phenomenal. So now we are on a third trick, that is the wide angle mode. Now this camera phone supports a wide angle camera mode. What it does is, like, I'm standing in front of a monument and I want to capture that. Now if you're up close, you won't be able to capture the whole monument. The monument is really up close. But if I want to capture everything around the monument, I go into wide angle mode and you can see the clouds and you can see how different the photo gets. And this HDR, it looks beautiful because it captures the clouds so well. And you can also see that you can see the monument, you can see the clouds, you can see the tree, thanks to the HDR capacity of this phone. It's time to tell you the next trick. Now what you want to do is capture some reflection shots. Now you can do it with a mirror, you can do it with a glass somewhere, but right now we have a puddle of water right here. So what we want to do is capture the whole monument, try to find that angle where you can see the monument and capture that. So I'm getting a beautiful reflection of the tomb right in front of me, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I just clicked a shot and I want you all to see how beautiful it looks. Moving on to a last trick of the video, that is low light or night photography. Now you can see it's evening right now and most of the smartphone will struggle capturing photos in this mode. But this one, the Tecno Camon 15 Pro, can do wonders with the night mode. So what I'm going to show you next is a completely dark tomb. We'll go inside and shoot some pictures and show you how drastically it changes the night mode and the normal mode and the difference between these two modes. And that is possible because of 1.7 aperture in this phone and a huge sensor. Both of these really make night photography really great. So here are some tips and tricks. Let's go.
We are really impressed with the Tecno Camon 15 Pro smartphone. Especially at this price, 14,999 rupees, you get a 48 megapixel AI quad rear camera, 32 megapixel pop-up camera, 4000 mAh of battery, 6 GB plus 128 GB storage, ultra dark mode, super night shot, and also to make the price even better, you get a free wireless speaker worth rupees 3,499 rupees. So these were our 5 tricks for smartphone photography. Do let us know how you like the device in the comment section below, or you can tweet to us at the Unbiased Blog. And to win the Tecno Camon 15 Pro handset for yourself, all you need to do is share your favorite smartphone photography trip from this video in the comment section below. Also remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. For those who haven't subscribed to us, please click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.